what Islam says about buying things on installments, because many ulama say that it's allowed.
Buying stuff on installments, there is difference amongst the ulama. Some ulama says it is allowed, and few of them say it is not allowed, you know. Our deen is not based on majority, meaning the majority ulama, if they say something, it will be allowed. If they say it's not allowed, it won't be allowed. No, our deen is based on dalil. Who has burden, who has proof, you know, in this issue. I've seen the waves of both of the ulama. Those who are saying it is allowed and those who are saying it is not allowed. First, we will mention the adillah of those ulama who say it is allowed. They say that it is allowed. Why? They say it is a bay'ah, it is a business. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, halal bay wa haram riba. Bay'ah is halal and riba is haram. So this is their first dalil. The answer from this dalil of them is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has allowed bay'ah. But this bay'ah of installments is one of those bay'ahs which mana anhu, which the Sharia has forbidden. In Sharia we have got bay'ah mana anhu, those bay'ahs which the Sharia has forbidden. For example, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if a fruit is in trees, you shouldn't be selling it unless it is prepared, you know. It is a bay'ah, but Sharia has forbidden that you shouldn't be doing this, you know. For example, if you throw a stone there, okay, if this stone reaches that area, that land is for you. No, Sharia has forbidden such, you know, bay'ah. So this bay'ah of the installments is from the one of the bay'ahs which which the Sharia has forbidden. So this is the answer from their first dalil. The second dalil they have got is that the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave one camel for two, meaning that he bought a camel, one camel for two camels. This does not have anything to do with installments, you know. One camel will have 100 kg, the two camel will have 94 kg. So it's the same. It does not have anything to do with installments. You know? This is called qiyas ma'al fariq. Those ulama who says it's not allowed, they have got proofs, and they are clear proofs. The Qur'an and Sunnah, which we understand, it should be based on the fahm of Salaf, meaning what did Sahaba understood from these hadith. So let us see the Sahaba fahm. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says bay'atain, there is narration narrated by Imam Abu Dawood, Imam Nisai, Imam Tirmizi. He says, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, narrated from Abu Huraira, Naha Rasul sallam an bay'atain fi bay'ah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam forbids bay'atain fi bay'ah, meaning doing two transactions in one dealing. Two transactions in one dealing. What does it mean? Imam Nisai has put a chapter upon this hadith. Imam Tirmizi has also written. It means they have written. It means that if a person buys clothes, for example, he says to someone, okay, I'm buying this clothes from you. He says, if you paying me cash, I will give you this for 10 dirham. If you're paying me, qarz, I will give it to you for 20. So he has brought a sharha for this hadith from the Salaf, that the Salaf used to translate this hadith on such meaning. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Man ba'a bay'ataini fi bay'ah. Those people who deal in such dealings, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, either he will get the less amount or either he will fall into a riba. This hadith, Ibn Masud says in Ibn Abi Shayba, in Musannaf Abdul Razak, he says, Sifqatani fi sifqat al-riba. He says, in dealings and doing the business, such business is riba, such dealing is riba. He says, ayaqulu rajulu, if a person says to someone, give me this thing for cash, meaning 10 rupees, and if I haven't got the money, he says to that person, I will give it to you for 20. Meaning that if you've got money, it is for 10,000 rupees. If you haven't got money, it is for 20,000 rupees. Ibn Masud says this is riba. So see the explanation of this hadith. He says, Sifqatani fi sifqat riba, from the bay'ahs, from the dealing, anyone who deals in something, he says to someone, if you're paying me cash, I will give you for 10,000 rupees. If it is, qarz, I will give you for 20,000. So he says it's riba. As narrated from Ibn Abbas as well. Imam Bayhaqi has narrated from him. He also says this is from the riba. It is narrated from Ibn Sirin. He says this is from the riba. It is narrated from Taus. It says it's from the riba. So see the Salaf, they're saying that such dealing falls into riba. There is a narration. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Kullu qardin, any qarz, anything, any loan, which brings you benefit is from the riba. Any loan. For example, I give you 1 lakh rupees and I tell you that, okay, Qari said, bring me, some milk or for free, for free. Bring me some food. Anything which I get from you from free because of the loan which I've given to you, this hadith says it's from the riba. So look at the installments. I've given you something on installments for 1 lakh rupees, but I'm asking for the same thing, which is for 1 lakh rupees, 1,50,000. So see, the 50,000 extra, which is I'm getting from you, is because of the loan. And the hadith says anything which you have loaned to someone, you are getting the benefit from the person, be anything, be from the money, be from the food which he's giving to you, is from the riba. This narration is narrated marfu'an wa mawqufan, meaning it's narrated from Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, it is narrated from the Sahaba. Yes, the narration which is from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, it has some weaknesses, but narration which is from the Sahaba, these are the authentic narration. This hadith also shows that anything which you have loaned to someone, you're getting benefit because of that loan, you will fall into riba. This hadith has a proof in Sahih Bukhari as well. The Sahabi tells someone that, oh Fulan, you're living in an area where the riba is fash. There is too much riba in this area. If you have loaned some money to someone, do not ask for any favor from him. The guy is saying, why is that? He says, it will be counted in the riba. Meaning, I've given you, as I've explained before, I've given you, for example, 10,000 rupees, and you're bringing me some food. Just because that I've given you food, and I'm asking for cash money, I'm asking for a favor from you. The Rawi is telling that other Sahabi that do not ask for the favor. Let me explain it. Some people understand the logic as well. For example, Qari Sayyid, I come to you and I say, Qari Sayyid, I need 1 lakh rupees. You say to me that, okay, I'm going to give you 1 lakh rupees, you should be giving me back 1,10,000 rupees. All the people agree that this is a riba. All the people. Same situation, different issue. I come to you and I say, Qari Sayyid, I need 1 lakh rupees. You say, what do you need 1 lakh rupees for? I say, I need to buy a motorcycle. You say to me, I will buy a motorcycle for 1 lakh rupees. What should I do? I will buy this motorcycle for 1 lakh rupees. But you should be giving me 1,10,000 rupees. The first, people say it is riba. The second, they say it's not a riba. Do you see? Have you got any difference between the two issues? There's not an issue. There's no difference between the two, First, he's asking for the money. The second is asking for the money. I explained this to a person. He told me, no, the second person who is selling stuff on installments, his money is stuck with that brother. The money which I, for example, loaned to you because of the installments. I told him that, what about those people who give money to people on riba? Their money is also stuck.
Yes.
So this is not an issue that you, just for this cause that you are allowing something. So to cut it short, the best thing is to stay away from such dealings. Buying stuff on installments is from the riba, is not allowed. Yes, there are many ulama, even the Ahlul Hadith allow it. But Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says, Al-halal bayin wal-haram bayin. The halal is bayin, wal-haram is also clear. Between the lines, there is something which is mushtabeh. Some ulama says it's halal, some says it's haram. So Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says, if you follow the mushtabeh, you might fall into the haram. So one should stay away from such dealings.